Ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at right now is not just the next Honda Accord. It's the rebirth of a legend. The 2026 Accord has stepped out of the shadows of practicality and into the spotlight of futuristic design, luxury-inspired styling, and cutting-edge technology. This is a car that dares to challenge Europe's finest sedans, but without abandoning its Honda roots. From its illuminated branding to its sleek fastback proportions, from its quad exhausts to its glowing high-tech interior, the 2026 Accord feels like the sedan we didn't know we needed, and it may just be the sedan that redefines its entire class. The Honda Accord has always been a core pillar in Honda's lineup. For decades, it symbolized practicality, reliability, and everyday sensibility. Families bought it without hesitation because they knew it would last. But now, in 2026, Honda has rewritten its most important chapter. The new Accord is no longer just a dependable choice. It is a statement piece. It signals to the world that Honda can design a car that competes with the likes of Audi, BMW, and Lexus in both style and substance. Take one glance at the front fascia and you immediately realize this is not the Accord you grew up with. The traditional grille is gone, replaced by a sleek gloss black panel that stretches across the fascia like a piece of modern architecture. At the very center, an illuminated HONDA script glows with boldness. This is not a subtle badge tucked in chrome. This is branding that shouts confidence, and it looks particularly striking at night when the letters burn through the darkness like neon signage. A razor-sharp LED bar runs across the face, seamlessly merging into blade-like headlights. These headlights are more than just lamps. They look like futuristic eyes, angled and intense, giving the Accord a menacing stance. Lower down, the bumper is cut with deep triangular intakes finished in gloss black, enhancing aerodynamics while also injecting aggression into the design.
Move to the side profile, and the transformation continues. What was once a conservative sedan silhouette now resembles a sleek Grand Tourer. The roofline flows smoothly into the rear, creating a coupe-like fastback look. The proportions are more reminiscent of a Porsche Panamera or Audi A7 than a traditional Honda sedan. Flush door handles slide into the bodywork, furthering the aerodynamic theme. The side is defined by strong character lines, while the massive multi-spoke black wheels with diamond-cut edges fill the arches aggressively. The stance is wide and low, suggesting athleticism and confidence. For the first time in decades, the Accord looks like a car that demands attention in a parking lot filled with German luxury sedans.
The rear design is perhaps the most stunning part of this transformation. A continuous LED light bar stretches across the trunk, glowing in rich red hues with hints of purple, creating an unmistakably premium signature. Just like the front, the rear proudly carries the illuminated HONDA script at its center. It creates a symmetry in design language, tying the front and rear together with illuminated branding that looks premium, futuristic, and confident. Below, the sculpted bumper houses a gloss black diffuser that isn't just for style. It is flanked by quad exhaust tips, 2 on each side, polished in chrome. That single decision changes the Accord's personality completely. No longer is this a quiet commuter sedan. It looks and feels like a performance car, something that could genuinely challenge entry-level European sports sedans. A subtle spoiler lip integrated into the deck lid adds just enough sporty drama without going over the top. Standing behind this car, it's hard to believe you're looking at an Accord. It feels more like a luxury GT sedan. Underneath that sculpted body, Honda has engineered a powertrain lineup that speaks to different kinds of buyers. While final specifications are still emerging, we can expect a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine to remain the foundation, delivering brisk performance with efficiency. But the star of the show will likely be Honda's next-generation hybrid powertrain, pairing a 2.0-liter engine with dual electric motors to create a smooth, torque-rich system that could easily push power past 250 horsepower while delivering impressive fuel economy. And then there are the whispers. A performance-tuned variant. Those quad exhausts aren't there by accident. Rumors suggest a high-output hybrid or turbocharged model that could top 300 horsepower, putting it in direct competition with entry-level luxury sports sedans. Imagine an Accord that can sprint from 0 to 60 in the mid-5-second range, while still carrying Honda's reputation for everyday reliability. That's the world the 2026 Accord is hinting at. Step inside and the revolution continues. The cabin feels futuristic, minimalist, and utterly premium. Dominating the dashboard is a sweeping digital display, a curved glass panel that merges the digital instrument cluster and infotainment into a single cinematic experience. The interface is sharp, fluid, and intuitive, giving drivers everything they need with clean visuals. But what truly elevates this interior is the ambient lighting. Thin neon strips trace across the dashboard, the door panels, and the center console, glowing with customizable hues. At night, the cabin transforms into something out of a high-end European lounge, glowing softly in blue, purple, or red, depending on your mood. It's a feature usually reserved for Mercedes or Audi interiors, yet here it is, in a Honda Accord. It makes the space feel alive. Material quality has also been taken to the next level. The seats are upholstered in premium leatherette with contrast stitching, offering both comfort and support. The dashboard and doors feature soft-touch surfaces, brushed aluminum trims, and sculpted panels that elevate the tactile experience. Even the door handles feel precise and well-engineered. This is no longer an economy-focused cabin. It's a statement that Honda can deliver luxury without inflating the price tag into the stratosphere. Driving impressions, though not yet tested in full, can be reasonably predicted from Honda's engineering legacy. Expect ride quality to be smooth and refined, especially with adaptive dampers soaking up imperfections. Steering will likely be sharp and communicative, with a chassis tuned for balance and grip. The hybrid torque will make acceleration brisk and satisfying, while insulation improvements and laminated glass will keep the cabin quiet even at highway speeds. This Accord won't just look premium, it will drive premium. This is the Accord's new identity. It is no longer simply the safe, practical choice. It is now the aspirational choice. A car you buy not just because it makes sense, but because you want it. It still retains Honda's core values of reliability and practicality, but now those qualities are wrapped in a package that excites and inspires. So, there you have it, the 2026 Honda Accord, a sedan that refuses to bow to the SUV era, a car that blends Honda's unmatched dependability with the design flair of Europe and the technology of the future. It looks bold, it feels premium, and it promises performance that will surprise you. The question is, has Honda just built the greatest Accord in history? Or have they created something entirely new? A luxury performance sedan wearing a Honda badge. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because this is going to be a debate worth having. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more deep dive reviews of the most exciting cars shaping the future. The 2026 Accord has arrived, and it's rewriting the rules.